collaboration, or what appears to be collaboration, takes place, and in guerrilla war more so. But in Yugoslavia, the collaboration with the Axis by the partisans of Tito, and particularly on the occasion of the March talks, was of a more serious nature than anything that took place on the loyalist side. In those March talks, the three of Tito's leading officers met with the Germans in Sarajevo and Zagreb and discussed a plan whereby the National Liberation Army would resist an Allied landing if one took place on the Adriatic coast, in exchange for which the Germans would help them establish a free zone in the Sanjak area, driving out the loyalists. That was a more serious strategic collaboration than anything of which General Mihailovich was even accused.